Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am simply OLA. I am at the Alexandra Palace and Park, and I've come to bring alive the story, the Gruffalo. So sit back, let's enjoy the story together. A mouse took a stroll through the deep, dark woods. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little white mouse? Come and have lunch in my underground house. It's terribly kind of you, fox, but no. I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has terrible tusks and a terrible claws and a terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. Where are you meeting him? Here by these rocks, and his favorite food is roasted fox. Roasted fox? Goodbye, little mouse, and away he sped. Silly old fox, doesn't he know that there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood, and owl saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little white mouse? Come and have tea in my tree-top house. It's frightfully nice of you, owl, but no. I'm going to have tea with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes and the poisonous warts at the end of his nose. Where are you meeting him? Here by the stream, and his favorite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream? To-wee-to-woo! Goodbye, little mouse. Away owl flew. Ha 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 ha! Silly old owl. Doesn't he know that there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to, little white mouse? Come for a feast in my log pile house. It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no. I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo? Why didn't you know? His eyes are orange. His tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Where are you meeting him? Here by this lake. And his favorite food is scrambled snake. Scrambled snake? It's time I hid. Goodbye, little mouse, and away snake slid. Silly old snake. Doesn't he know that there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? Oh! But who's this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has knobbly knees and a turned out toes, and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. Help! Oh no! It's a Gruffalo! My favorite food? The Gruffalo said. You taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and soon you'll see. Everyone is afraid of me. All right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. Ha 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 ha. You go ahead and I'll follow after. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead. It's Snake, said the mouse. Why? Snake. Hello? Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he slid to his log pile house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hoot in the trees ahead. It's Owl, said the mouse. Why Owl? Hello? Owl took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he flew to his treetop house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Astounding, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more until the Gruffalo said, I can hear feet on the path ahead. It's Fox, said the mouse. Why Fox? Hello? Fox took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh hell, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he ran to his underground house. Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse, you see, everyone is afraid of me, but now my tummy is beginning to rumble. My favorite food is Gruffalo crumble. Gruffalo crumble, the Gruffalo said, as quick as the wind turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found the nut, and the nut was good. Good. And that's the end of my story. Right, if you do like my videos, click like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.